So Chris and I are headed to the Ayutthaya ruins north of Bangkok. So he's got his professional camera. Yeah, he's a real photographer. So let's see what kind of pictures he gets today. A train ticket from Bangkok to Ayutthaya, like about 15 baht for third class, and this is what you get. They said it came with a fan, but ours seems to be broken. Who picked the broken fan compartment? Journey's supposed to take about 2 hours, so see you when we get there. Nobody. Don't stick nobody out there. I can't believe it. The air quality is not good in Thailand right now. But in Beijing, everybody came here to see that. Oh, no videos. Okay, Chris and I here with the world famous Buddha head in the tree. Can you see it back there? Beautiful. Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah, it's just a little bit warm out here, but you know, it's all for the culture, the history, and exercise. In the end, just come here to lose weight. You'll lose it. The heat will melt you. So what is your name? No, just kidding.
I love Thai food.
Yeah.
I love Thai food.
How's your, what are you thinking of Ayutthaya?
It's cool. It's cool to visit. It's really hot and quite exhausting to walk around, but it's totally worth it. I guess. Totally worth it.
You recommend wearing a hat?
Yeah, I'm bringing a lot of water. Yeah, at least 1 liter.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's
For sure.
so many temples here. We did like 3 or 4 of them, and for a day that's probably enough. So when people say you need a few days to visit the whole historical park, they're right. Yeah, because it's hot and there's no shade, and
Or you take a tuk-tuk.
yeah,
Also an option.
yeah, you can tuk-tuk or rent a bike or something. But yeah, definitely come check it out. I'll take my elephant to Old Town Road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. All right, Chris, how was that ride? Ride home from the... We left like 3 hours ago, right?
Yeah.
And we're just now getting back to the hostel.
Not really lucky with the way back.
Yeah, we got off the train 1 stop early, trying to, get home a little sooner. Grab guy couldn't make it, so we caught the metro. But apparently the metro closes at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So we rode in 1 stop and then had to get off. And then we caught another cab. Finally, we made it back. Yes. Just tired, hungry, very hungry. Just shower and food.